Hey friends, if the Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool is stuck, if you encounter this issue, then please watch this video. Now I'll tell you something about the Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool. Okay, you open it and you click on restart now and check for problems. At times it gets stuck. So what can you do? I will suggest you to give it time because there's nothing else that you can do about it. But in some cases, there are third-party software products which are preventing it from running. In that case, we have a very simple solution. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all, select apply, OK, and then finally restart the system. And this time run the Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool once again in the clean boot state and it will work. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.